Welcome. I'm Leslie Rutland, and I'm the creator of the Seasoned Makers Community. Have you ever wished for a quilting community that understands where you are in your quilting journey, whether you're piecing your first quilt or stitching a quilt with a lifetime of memories? Quilting isn't just about fabric and stitches, it's about the friendships we form along the way. At Seasoned Makers, you'll find a warm, supportive community of quilters just like you, eager to share tips, swap ideas, and encourage one another. Seasoned Makers is more than just a membership. It's a place where your quilting journey is nurtured. Whether you're perfecting your quilting or exploring new techniques, this is where your skills and confidence grow. I believe every quilt has a story to tell. A baby's first blanket, a wedding gift, a quilt passed down through generations. Here at Seasoned Makers, we celebrate your quilting legacy because what we make today becomes tomorrow's treasured heirloom. So take a look around, see what's happening inside Seasoned Makers, and know that whenever you're ready, we'd love to welcome you with open arms because here every stitch tells a story, and we'd love to be a part of your quilt story.